How to make your Facebook profile private. So let me tell you that there is no single button in order to make your Facebook profile private, but you just have to follow the simple steps in order to make your Facebook profile private. For that, you have to head into the Facebook application. Make sure you have logged in into your Facebook account. Now tap on three-line menu icon at top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Here you have to tap on Settings. When you get access to your settings and privacy, under Tools and Resources, tap on Privacy Checkup. Sure, you get the different option in order to do the privacy checkup, but for now you have to tap on Who Can See What You Share. Now tap on Continue button. On this page, you have to make your profile information private as much as possible. So you have to make your email address to only me, your date of birth to only me, friends and following to only me. So for that, you simply have to tap the button that has been set to public. Here you can see friends and following. Who can see the people, pages and list you follow is set to public. So simply tap on the public button, and from this option you have to select only me. After you have set all the information to only me and private, you have to tap on next button. Here the default audience is been set to friends. You just have to tap and see if there is any option to set to only me. So you have to tap on only me, and the default audience has been set to only me. The stories, tap on the friends, and here is no other options beside friends, so you have to enter the friends option. Let's come back and limit your past post as well. For that, tap on limit button and now tap on limit again. So now tap on next button again and now tap on next. So that's how we make our Facebook profile private. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.